Yo, what up, people? I thought I would check up on the burbs. The hidden bird nest. Let's check it. So, we are at street level in New York City in Manhattan. What's up, buddy? Hi. Hey, buddy. How are you? Where's your mom and dad at? Where's your parents at? Hey, baby. Oh, look at him. Mr. Big Beak. You can be a big pigeon. Yeah. Oh. He's in good shape. His parents are somewhere around here. They're definitely around here somewhere. I don't know where. We're looking. We're looking for the mom and dad. I don't see him. They're around though. He's been alive for the last couple weeks, so he's getting fed. As you can see, there's like the remnants of grain on the ground here. I don't know where his flock is though. Like they haven't been. Then again, it is middle of the night, so I don't see any in the garden. Yeah, they're probably all sleeping. But yeah, that's the little baby bird. He's awesome.